Rebel Canners teaching all kinds of food preservation, including the old ways. Today we're making dandelion jelly in Rebecca's kitchen. So go ahead and pick your dandelions, get the yellow petals off and put into a half-gallon jar, and then cover them with boiling water and let them sit overnight, coming back to room temperature. Once they've sat and came back to room temperature, you can go ahead and strain them through a cheesecloth, because you don't just the liquid tea you've made in your jelly. You don't want to make jam with this. Cheesecloth is perfect to do the straining. You can then just pick up the cheesecloth by the four corners and use that to and you can go ahead and squeeze out all the juice from your petals so that you get all of that for your tea. 4 cups of dandelion tea. 4 cups. Close enough for who is for, is what I always say.
I've heard that a time or two.
And then we need to add our lemon juice and our 8 tablespoons of pectin. We want 2 tablespoons of lemon juice.
Just a splash more because I kind of shorted this one.
All right. Now we will measure out our 8 tablespoons of powdered pectin, which also happens to be 1/4 cup if you want to measure it that way. And we will go ahead and add that here. It's kind of clumpy today. Doesn't usually do that.
Wonder if it's because the dandelion stuff is cold.
Could be. Could be why.
Should have brought it up to boiling first.
Yeah. I didn't think about it. Oops. There it goes in and out with focus. So bring it back to a full rolling boil. It's not quite there yet because once you stir it, as you can see, it kind of stirs it right down. So almost to a full rolling boil, but not quite yet. Once we get it up to a full rolling boil, which won't take long, we probably looks pretty good now. Go ahead and start adding the 4 cups of sugar. It smells good already. That's 3. Don't play with the jar lids, Silas. And 4. Right on the side. All right, we're just going to stir that. Bring it back up to a roiling boil. Let it boil for 3 to 5 minutes, and then we're going to jar this up. And we have dandelion honey, or dandelion jelly, however you want to call it. So you can see we've got our jelly boiling. Everything's added to it. We're just going to keep it at a nice heavy rolling boil for 3 minutes. And now we can jar it up. You go ahead and use your pre-sanitized jars. And you can go ahead and fill your jars. Leave your 1/4 inch head space. And then we're going to water bath process these for 10 minutes.
Ouch.
That was hot.
Yeah, it was.
I didn't get hurt. He's gone 2%.
So as you can see, our recipe made 7 half pints. We did 4 half pints and 6 1/4 pints because we wanted some small ones to give away. Beautiful color. It hasn't set up yet, but it's just absolutely gorgeous, and it tastes like honey. And there you go, Rebel Canners. Quick and easy. Dandelion jelly. Like, subscribe, and ring that notification bell.